Welcome back, guys. My name is Ty. This is the Dividend Stock King with another video. Before I begin the video, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not giving any financial advice. You do your own research before you buy anything on the stock market or anything in any investment. I'm not the person to listen to. Hire a financial advisor. Today's video, we're asking what are some stocks you would never suggest anyone to invest in? That's the question for today. What's some stocks I would? Someone asked me what stocks I should never invest in. I have one answer. The stocks you should never invest in are the ones you don't understand, the ones you have done no research on, the ones that people are telling you to buy. I never buy a stock without doing some research. Don't go out there and blindly buy stocks with no background. Didn't go to the website. You didn't do no research on the company you want to invest in. So I tell anybody the worst ones to buy is the ones you do no research. When I first opened up Robinhood, I didn't know nothing about dividend investing. I bought me some marijuana stocks. Which I thought marijuana, I didn't know, it was like $5 a share. So I bought one share, right? Turned to find out I was a bad company, and like I think I can still find it. Let's see if I can find it in here. I think it was yeah, it was this one here. Right, so I bought this here a long time ago. I think it's a marijuana stock, I believe. I think it's this one. I may be wrong. Yeah, it's cannabis company. Now I bought this a long time ago. I sold it off. Let me see if I can find it. I can't find where I had it, but I believe I had this before. Well, I didn't know nothing about dividend investing and stuff like that. What happened was, go to the 5-year trend. So I bought this when it was you see this trend here. You know, when it first got on the market, look how much it was trading, and then it's just straight died. I mean, look at this. It just straight died. Now I believe I bought this for $5 and some change. Now it's back to $5 and almost $6. But look at this. This is a perfect example of not doing your research, waiting. Never buy a stock at a 52-week high, because you lost $25 and there's no hope. It'd be a while for it to go back to $30. It never reached $10 after that. Once it started going down, it stayed down. So I'm trying to find where I sold this, and they don't know it show up when I sold this. But I bought this not knowing what this company was. I bought it, didn't know what they do, did no research. I'm not into the weed stocks anyway, so why I buy this, I don't know. But the worst ones that you would buy are the ones you don't know research on. You don't have no game plan for it, and every stock, in my personal opinion, I'm not a professional, not an expert. Every stock that you buy on the market should have an exit strategy. And I'm gonna do a video about that too, but I'm gonna get a little brief. You need an exit strategy, because not every stock is guaranteed. Not every stock is guaranteed to pay you a dividend. So what is your exit strategies? I ain't have them on this one. I didn't know what that was. I didn't know what the research was. I did no homework on it. I just bought it for $5 and change. I think I sold it. It went down. I'm not sure when I bought this. It was like $5 and change. And I know it went like to $1 or something like that. Yeah, it was to $1. I'm like, oh God. So I sold it. I took a $4 loss. But I'm like, I was just like, I'm done with it. And my next video, I'm talking about an exit strategy. Because you need an exit strategy. You need an inner strategy. You need a hold strategy. And you need an exit strategy. When things go bad, you need an exit strategy. So the worst one stocks to buy is the ones you don't know nothing about. Or the ones, or you have a particular goal, or you have no goal, you're just buying stocks to buy them. So please, don't listen to everyone on YouTube, on the internet. Do your own research. You want to find out what the company is about. How do the company makes money? That's the most important thing. How do they make money? That's the most important thing you must learn. How they make money. And do you see them making money 5, 10, 20 years from now? Do your research. Look at articles about it. Any good press, any bad press. Are they looking for other companies to merge with? Do your research. How much the CEOs get paid. How the company doing? Do the 5-year chart. Look at the 5-year chart. If I went this today, I'm today, June 16, 2021. If I want to look for a marijuana stock and I found this stock and look at the 5-year trend, I wouldn't have bought it. Now I might would have bought it because I might want to, buy and hold for a long time because at one point it was at $30, but that was like almost 2 years ago. It's been going down for 2 years. It's been going down for 2 years. Even this year has gone up a little bit, but it hasn't recovered. Now, for me personally, not doing research on this company, and maybe something happened to the company or they sold off. You have to look at this stuff. Have the company sold off? Is someone trying to buy them? Did someone get fired? You have to look this up for yourself. But let's look at this stock here. If I was in a marijuana stock and I want a marijuana stock or cannabis stock, maybe, I don't know. When I bought this, I don't know. Personally, I wouldn't get it because, again, to go up to $30 a share to $5 a share, and there's no point return when you're down 72%. I'm not getting it. When you're down 72%, I'm not getting it, man. I'm not. You've been on this exchange for 2 years. 2 years. Your prices have been just changed all around. Just keep this in mind. Look at the chart for 2019. It was listed in February, in January. So it's been 2021, 2 years and a half. It's not a long time, but look how much it's changed. Every month it's gone down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and it covered a little bit, but not much. You're still down 72%. 5-year trend, you're down 72%. I wouldn't get this stock. You look at the year trend. Yeah, you look at the year trend. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Oh, yeah, it's going up. But you look at the 5-year trend, where I was before. You got to look at the yearly trend, the 5-year trend. I might buy one share after I do my research on where the company is going, what happened to the company, why it was worth $30 a share, and then we're $5, it went to $1. It went to $1. Now, if it goes to $1, like here, I would have bought some shares. Because that's another trick too. Here, when it was $3 or $1, you see $1, $2.30, $1.09, I'll bought it then. I'll bought 10 shares of that then. Because how far can it go down? How far can it go down? Now, it was this price last year, I would have bought it. I would have bought it and did like AMC, held it, took it to $5. I'm up, $3. I'm up $60, for $5. So I would have bought it for $1.97. I bought at least 10, 20 shares just to hold it. And that's my plan is once it go high, I don't see it going high no more for a while, I'll sell it. That's what I would have done with it. But when I bought it at $30, I wouldn't buy it at $5. I wouldn't buy it personally. So the work stocks I would suggest anyone to get are the ones that you do no research about, you do no homework about, you don't look them up, you don't see how to make money, you don't see what happened to them in the past 2 years, any lawsuits, any bad press, any good press, whatever you're trying to do. Are they been fined by a government company, whatever? You don't even know what happened. So that's my answer. The ones you don't do research on are the worst ones you shouldn't buy. Now, I can't tell which ones to buy or not buy, but it was $1.97 back then. It can't go no lower. And they could go lower than less than $1, but it can't go no lower than that. I bought the AMC. I bought AMC for $2.15. I'm like, well, hell, I mean, if it go down to $1, I'm down $1. But from this point, it can only go up. So I keep that in mind with these stocks that if it's at this price, it can only go up or a little bit lower, go out of business or go up. I lost $3-4, but okay. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, share the video, and see you next time.